Y'all, I'm so freaking excited for this package, even though it's really for my kids. Labebe company sent me a freaking rocking crocodile. Not a rocking horse, a crocodile, and I'm so excited to see it. Hey, stay that way. I'm about to tell you when to turn around, okay? Not yet. Okay, turn around.
What's in that box? You got a package. No, I don't know. What is in it? We got another package in there.
Two of them?
Mm-hmm. We got it.
All right.
Let's do it.
All I could find was a butter knife.
Why?
Oh, it's working. We're good. It was blown away.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the finished product. It's so cute. It's literally the softest thing I've ever seen. But it has the buckles and then like these two for support, which is good because we have a 7-month-old too. It has these little attachments. The fish. There is a little bird like, you know, you would see on a crocodile, and it sticks Velcro. And then this little cute mirror that's attached. Oh, and I forgot the little dragonfly on the butt. It sticks, and then you can also put it in the pocket so you don't lose it. That is so cute. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look, you can put his little bird up here on his head.
Oh, like what?
That's so cute.